Hi, so what we're going to do is learn how to divide decimals by decimals, okay? So we can see, I'm going to do a wee quick recap of ones we did before, which is a whole number by a decimal. And we don't like dividing by decimals, so we change the question. So we count the decimal points, 1, 2. That's tenths, that's hundredths. So let's times that by 100. If we times that one, we need to times that one. 24 times 100 will give us 2,400. And that divided by times by 3 times by 100 will give us 3. And then 2,400 divided by 3, well, what's 24 divided by 3? It's going to be 8. So 2,400 divided by 3 is going to be 800. Okay, so we've done that sort of question before. Why don't we move on to a slightly more difficult one? You can see here that these are both decimals. Okay, this has tenths, and this has tenths and hundredths. I want rid of all of the decimals. I don't want to have any decimals in this question. So if I just times it by 10, it's going to get rid of the decimal here, but it's not going to get rid of it here. So make sure we get rid of both by timesing them both by 100. So let's move that decimal point, 1, and then we'd move it again, which means we're going to have 350 divided by 5. Okay? What's 35 divided by 5? 7. So 350 divided by 5 is going to be 70. Okay? So let's look again. Tenths, hundredths, tenths, hundredths. So let's times both of them by 100. So we get 72 divided by 9. And that's in our times table, and it is just 8. Alright, one last one. Let's check here. We've got tenths, hundredths, thousands, tenths, hundreds, thousands. So let's times them both by 1,000. All right. And so that's going to make us have 25 divided by 5, which is just going to be 5. Okay. So that's how we're going to divide decimals by decimals.